Welcome to Gradient's weekly business roundup. Today's episode will cover the following topics. ICRA Lanka projects Sri Lanka's GDP growth for 2021 to be at 3.4%, a marginal downgrade from their previous forecast of 3.6%. Medium-term growth is expected to hover around 4%. Lalinda Sukatidasa, Head of Research and Business Development at ICRA Lanka, explained their views as follows.
First quarter recorded a modest economic growth, but the rapid escalation of the third wave of COVID infections stalled the momentum, telling us that the pandemic will continue to cast a longer shadow over the economy. We forecast that Sri Lanka's GDP may have grown at around 4.1% in the second quarter. In this context, we slightly downgrade our initial 2021 GDP projection to 3.4%. External sector and fiscal sector may continue to face pressure for the rest of the year, while we may witness stronger inflation and end to downward adjustment of interest rates.
ICRA Lanka forecasts for some of the other key economic indicators are as shown. According to Treasury Secretary S.R. Artikala, state revenue during January to June 2021 increased 8% year-over-year but was below budget targets due to reduced tax revenue with travel restrictions in place during June. As per the provisional figures reported by the Ministry of Finance, government revenue including grants increased to Rs 482.3 billion in the first 4 months of 2021, whilst recurrent and capital expenditure amounted to Rs 1002.8 billion, which resulted in a deficit of Rs 520.5 billion. Clearing confusion regarding the status of the chemical fertilizer ban with the latest gazette issued, the President's office confirmed that the ban on import of chemical fertilizer is still effective. However, the new gazette permits import of certain plant nutrients previously prohibited. Energy Minister Udaya Gammanpilla in a gazette notification presented the Hydrocarbon exploration block map of Sri Lanka, comprising of 873 15x15 blocks for exploration licenses, development licenses and joint studies. Reportedly, this initiative is aimed at attracting investments from the top 20 oil and gas companies in the world, with the project estimated to have the potential to deliver over 2 billion barrels of oil and 9 trillion cubic feet of natural gas. CCPI-based headline inflation rose to 5.7% in July 2021 on a year-on-year basis, up from 5.2% in June, driven by increases in prices in the non-food category, which accelerated to 3.2% in July 2021 from 2.5% in June. Food inflation decreased marginally to 11% in July 2021 from 11.3% in June. CCPI-based core inflation reached 3.7% in July 2021 on a year-on-year basis, up from 3.2% in June. John Keells Holdings entered into an agreement with Indian IT services and technology consulting company HCL to occupy 80% of the offices at JKH's mega development Cinnamon Live. The offices comprise 30 stories of Grade A office spaces. July 2021 saw the arrival of 2,429 tourists to Sri Lanka, bringing the year-to-date arrivals figure to 19,337. UK was the top source market in July, accounting for about 14% of the arrivals. The all-share price index at the Colombo Stock Exchange ended the week to 5th August at 8,011.94, down 1.4% from a week earlier. Foreign outflows from the market persisted, with net foreign selling amounting to Rs 1.2 billion during this period. And that's a wrap for today. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe and stay healthy.